Okay, Dr. J. Here is the Future City team. When you go into Future City, you sign in. It's going to bring you to, I believe it brings you to this page, or maybe one of the other pages, but you're going to click on Team Information from Future City. You're going to click on Team Information, Create New Team. That's the first time I'm using Screencast-O-Matic, and it's obviously copying the entire screen, so that's kind of good. Okay, so this is going to bring you here. Don't worry about the mentor information, mentor this, mentor that. You're going to click on Create Team down here. Oh, I didn't put in the name. Good. So it stops you. So you can put in the name, and our next team, our next team name is, going through the sheet over here. These are the #1 slackers. That's the name of their team. So we create the team. We're over here and we click on #1 slackers, edit team, and then we come down here. I made my screen a little smaller. I pulled out further so I don't have to keep pulling it down to add this student. So I add a student on here. First student is going to be Dimitri, D-M-I-T-O-Y, Dimitri, City, S-A-D-Y, S-A-D-Y, K-H-O-V, and he's in 6th grade. You got to do all this information for them, and then their roles. So they have, these are what they have. The kids have to really look up what these are. These are brand new. I put down on the sheet. I put down essay and Q&A and project plan. So he has city model slideshow. So I'm going to do video presenter. I'm just going to pick something for him. Video presenter, and he's done. And that's it. Now so you can see I have one student down here. He's video presenter. And I'm going to add another one so I can show you how this works. I'm going to make a short video. I'm only going to put a couple on here, and then you're going to see how the team is formed. Mitchell Gutnick, M-I-T-C-H-E-L, Mitchell Gutnick, G-U-T-N-I-K. He's a 6th grader. And his role, he wants to record and gather videos. So I'm going to put him down as a video presenter. Okay. It may not be that. I don't really know how this works this year because I didn't look up these roles. So we're going to save him. And when you put I'm going to put all 6 students in. All 10 students in. But I just want to show you when you're finished, come down here and you update team. And there you go. You got your kids in there. These are your teams. So yours are going to be in with mine. All 10 will be in here. The only thing they'll be separated by is the team names, okay? And usually they go alphabetically. So $, B, L, yeah. And then these are the due dates. So they have about 3 months to get this stuff together. And once they get this stuff, some of the kids were starting to ask about this and look this up. Any forms that they have to print in, we're going to upload them. We click on upload. It won't let us do it now. Right, it won't let us do it now. Okay. But when it comes time, then we can do it. So if I want to add more kids on the team, I edit. I could take kids off. I could put new kids on. I could go back to that page. And that's it. And if you want, we'll talk about this during this afternoon, but that's a 4-minute clip, and you're all set.